So this is our camper.
This is the camping area. First of all, you can see 4 campers are here, and this is the bathroom area. So you can go to toilet and bathroom here also. You can sit out here.
This is how you open the door.
You have to
Turn it to the right.
yeah.
And this is our sofa, some dining table area.
Yeah, this table can come. Yeah, so at night we made it like this so that we can make it a bed. Now this is a table, so just you have to lift it up and that's it.
You have to just pull the lever up.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, so you have 2 lights here. You can just push it on like this. Yeah, similar at that side, and there are a lot of space for keeping your stuff. Here you can find coffee, cups, coffee machine. This side you can see television, and then some space to keep dusting kit. There are crockery. You can have different kind of crockeries, and here you can keep some utensils. Different kind of utensils are there. Here also culinaries. In this box, this is a small kitchen area, and you can just open this up if you don't want to be closed, so that smoke can go out. Lights are there also for this. You put the lights here also. You can have the plates here. These are all provided by them. And then here you have extra blanket, pillows. You can keep your wardrobe related stuff here. And this is a small bathroom, in fact toilet. So yeah, so here you have a system. You can just take it out, and then there is a knob. You have to, after using it, you have to open that. So this is given, this knob you have to press it and open it. Symbol is also given. Yeah, so there are some more place to keep the stuff. Lighting area. Here also some lighting provision, natural lighting provision. And then this is the bedding area. So here you can sleep properly. 2-person can sleep here, and 2-person can also sleep there. After moving the table down, you can just sleep here. So this is quite cozy, comfortable. Yesterday we had party, a small party among ourselves, watched movies. So the middle one is our car, and this is also included in this area. So we were playing. This is how this camping area is. So you can see electric points are there, and this electric point is provided. Also gas facility is provided. You can see the cylinders there. So here the electric charge point, and this is the gas points. This is how the gas is provided for cooking. And this can be this van. This can be attached to a car or a van and can be pulled and taken to road. And we are getting these bicycles, which we are going to use it for exploring this village, this place. There are two more there. Yeah, this is a big one, caravan. And this is the toilet area. Yeah, this is for gents and that side is for ladies. These are the toilets, bathroom, everything here. Yeah, so this is a washing area as well. Very nice provision and different experience.